What's up, YouTube? Turn it down. It's your boy SrtTingz turning back with another video, man. Another epic video. This is a requested video, man. I'm gonna give it to y'all real quick, real short, real simple. So we ain't got no problems with nobody, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Going about 2020. I'm trying to help y'all out, help me out. You know what I'm talking about? But today I'm gonna show you how to road race a Scatpack, the Daytona, RT. No, I don't know. I guess RT maybe. Hellcat, all that good stuff. But Dodge, preferably right now. All right, let's get into the video. Let's see the stars. Hey, before I get into the video, I do want to say I learned this from ScatyBlk on YouTube. You can check him out on Instagram and YouTube, ScatyBlk. He taught me this back before I even had my Scatpack. I was riding with him one day, and he was just showing me some features and stuff, and that happened to be one of them. And yeah, man, just go, you know what I'm saying, like, comment, subscribe to everything he do. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube, follow him on Instagram. You know, man, he taught me and I'm teaching y'all, you know. I'm on the freeway right now. I'm in Mexico. Alright, look, check me out. So I just seen people, they just do this, they get whatever speed they're going and just hit the gas. It's not what you want to do, alright? Step one, the most important step to do, you have to do this, or it will not work the proper way. You have to put your car in sports mode, okay? You have to put your car in sports mode. You can turn traction back off, back on, but that don't really matter. What you want to do is, once you got your car in sports mode, you see it's in sports mode, you want to hold down the left pedal shifter for 3 seconds and just watch. It drops in the lowest gear for you. You see? And then you just let it do its thing. Hit the gas. And automatic shift back up for you. Y'all see that? It automatic shifts for you. And then when the race is over, if you're still in the manual, you hit the right one. You hold the right one till it puts it back in drive. Alright, y'all catch that. Y'all catch that. I'm gonna do it one more time without the pedal shifters to show you how it jumps different. I'm gonna do it from 70. Alright, watch this. See how long it took to get up there? But once you drop that gear, let me drop back at 70 real quick. Let me drop back at 70 for y'all. I'm at 70. You want to hold this until it drops your RPM high. Right? You hit that gas, automatic shift for you. You'll get the best reactions, and everything gonna ride smooth for you. And you done won your little old road race or whatever y'all doing. You done won it already. You know what I'm saying? You did it the proper way and mess up your transmission. And you hit that on the right to bring it back to drive, regular drive. And you go on to a destination knowing you just beat somebody in the race. Quick video for you, man. Like, comment, subscribe. SrtTingz. Don't say I ain't never teach you nothing.